Time for one of my least favorite levels in the game. I know I said Clobber Carnage was a painful level and probably my least favorite, but this is up there too. I just prefer to use Dixie's helicopter spin to descend the entire way, simply because it's more controllable. Also, I believe I missed a secret passage with, like, a whole bunch of bananas in it. It deposits you out right here. There's a lot of bananas up that way, but nothing of real importance. Whack you with that. It's because with the Parrot you take up more room. And you're a lot more agile if you just go with Dixie's helicopter spin. At least in Donkey Kong Country 3, Purple Squawks could fly. You can't fly in this version of the game for some reason. Which doesn't make sense because it's a freaking palette swap! And I just about missed the bonus level. They just tease you with green squawks in the bonus levels. And I missed the O. I really don't recommend to beginning players that you do this as Dixie, because if you get hit once, you're screwed. All it does is it makes the end a little bit easier. Like, it makes this part a lot easier. And we're at the end of the level.